Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system class 4. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to discuss our unit number 8. This is the title page of your amazing science book for class 4. Unit number 8. Topic is sound. Sound is produced by vibration. Sound. We hear many sounds all around us: the chirping of birds, the cracking of a door, the beating of a drum. All things which make a sound have one thing in common: they shake. Every sound that we hear is caused by something shaking. Things which produce sound make the air shake back and forth very fast. These shaking movements are called vibrations. When the vibrating air makes our eardrums vibrate, we hear sounds. Here we have some examples. All these are the musical instruments which produce sound. How is sound produced? A sound vibration makes tiny particles of the air bump into each other. When this happens, the particles are first pressed together and they spread apart or spin again. Each particle passes its energy to the particle next to it. In this way, vibrations are passed from molecule to molecule. We call this movement a sound wave. Loud and soft sounds. Different kinds of vibrations make different kinds of sounds. If you strike a gong hard, you hear a louder sound than if you strike it gently. Here we have a picture of a gong. This is a bell. This is because you make the gong vibrate more when you strike it hard. As the vibration becomes smaller, the sound becomes softer. How sound travels? Sound travels at different speeds through different materials. Sound cannot travel through space because there is no air. This is why we cannot hear the sound of the explosions that take place on the sun. Sound travels better through solids and liquids than through gases. Sound waves can travel through doors and walls. You can hear the ticking of a clock if you hold it between your teeth. You can also hear sounds in the water when you are swimming underwater. If sounds are being made in a room, the vibrations in the air make the walls and doors vibrate. If you hold an empty glass against the wall or door nearest to the surface of the sound and press your ear against the bottom of the glass, the sound will be much clearer. Kinds of sounds. If we like a sound, we call it musical. Sound which we find unpleasant are called noise. What is the reflection of sound? Vibrations can bounce back if they strike a smooth, hard surface. Sound waves bounce off hard surfaces such as walls, floors, and ceiling. Echo. When sound waves hit a barrier, such as a cliff, they bounce back and we hear the sound again. This reflected sound is called an echo. In a covered space, such as a funnel, the echoes are very loud because the reflected sound cannot escape. Echo detection. Echoes can be used to detect shoals of fish, submarines, or rigged ships on the seabed. Some waves are sent down into the sea from an instrument on a ship called a echo sounder. Here we have a picture of an echo sounder. The time taken for the echo to bounce back to the ship can be used to work out the position and shape of the objects beneath the ship. Echolocation. Bats make high squeaking sounds and use their ears to pick up the echoes from objects around them. This is called the echolocation. Noise pollution. Noise is any sound that is unpleasant. It is any sound that we do not like. Noise is produced by jet airliners, moving machines, for cutting grass, rushing motorcycles and scooters, and of course the honking of horns on busy roads. Loud music can also be very disturbing if the volume is turned up for hours. Very loud sound noise can damage the ears, cause sleeplessness, and in older people can lead to deafness. Measures to reduce or sound noise pollution: do not shout, do not slam doors, do not blow a car horns, keep the volume low when listening to music, turn off the television or radio when not listening. Furnish your house with carpets, rugs, mats and curtains. Fit mufflers on the silencers of motorcycles, scooters, rickshaws and cars. Plant trees and bushes around your house. Avoid the use of loudspeakers. Amazing fact is there is a silence on the moon. It has no atmosphere to carry sound. The smallest bone in the body is found in the ear. It is called the strypa bone and is about 3 millimeter long. Next students, we have the solved exercise of unit number 8, sound. Question number 1, answer the following questions. Part A, answer is sound is produced by anything that vibrates. Next, part B, when the vibrating air makes our eardrums vibrate, we hear sound. Part C, a vibrating body first makes the molecules of air press together and then spread apart. The vibrations pass from molecule to molecule to make a sound wave. Part D, no sound cannot travel through space because there is no air in space. Part E, musical and noisy sounds are made by a number of different vibrations reaching our ears at the same time. Part F, when sound waves hit a barrier such as a cliff, they bounce back and we can hear the sound again. This reflected sound is called an echo. Part G, echoes are used by scientists to find the depth of oceans, to detect shoals of fish, submarines and rigged ships, and to make maps of the seabed. Question number 2, write the names of two things which make. Number 1, answer is drum. B, ticking of a clock. C, violin. D, jet engine. Yes. 2, drum. Horn. Number 2, yes, rain. Number 2, piano. Number 2, firecracker. Next students, we have this worksheet. Write the names of these names which made a loud sound that causes noise pollution. Helicopter, crane, ambulance, speaker, guitar, mic, loudspeaker and car. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.